Okay, so as real estate investors, as real estate investors, we always want to keep our signs up longer. And that is because signs cost money, let's face it. So I'm pretty sure most of you already know the traditional way, which is just putting the sign on H-frame. But today, if you don't know already, we're just going to actually learn how to make a stapler. It's very easy, very basic hardware needed. And we just decided to make a fun version of this video. We know there's several out there, so this is ours. Come with me. Alright guys, so we have our two pieces of pipe. Of course we're only going to do one at a time, and I'm going to show you. Basically it boils down to a few pieces of hardware. You got your PVC pipe, 2-inch PCV pipe, you have your 2-inch coupling, you have your we're using 3 clamps on this one, door threshold, and of course the most important thing, the stapler. We went with the best stapler on the market. You don't have to. We just, according to this, they claim to be 25% less muscle exertion. So when you're doing this at night, it may actually help. So let's actually, you know what? This will look a lot cooler if we do cinematics. So let's roll it. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. A few pieces of very basic hardware. Basic. We're not assembling a rocket here. So just to recap on what we just did and put together, we have the stapler, we have the 2-inch coupling on the very top, threshold. The threshold is actually being held by the clamps, 3 clamps in our case, and the PVC pipe. That's it. Stapler, coupling, threshold, clamps, pipe. 5 things. That's all she wrote. That's all it is, guys. Just a couple pieces of hardware. And now the only thing left for us to do is to test our stapler. Let's do it.